Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do another experiment today. So this has always been my saute pan of choice. It's Ecolution. I've had this for years. It's pretty worn in the bottom. I have scratched it. So it's a non-stick pan coated with something, not sure. So I've used metal utensils like you're not supposed to, and yes, my wife has yelled at me for doing that. It's pretty scratched up. But this has been my pan of choice for years. And then last Christmas, my wife, dear sweetheart that she is, bought me this new saute pan. It's a Cuisinart. It's 5.5 quarts. I love this thing. It's huge and heavy. It's stainless steel. There's no coating on it, nothing like that. But my issue has been when I try to cook tofu in this thing, it sticks. Sticks horribly. So I did a little digging, and I read that the reason your tofu sticks in a big stainless steel pan like this, 2 reasons. 1, you're not letting the pan get hot enough first. So we're going to test that. And 2, once you get the pan hot enough and you add your tofu, you have to let it set long enough to actually form that crust on the bottom of the tofu, and then it won't stick anymore. We're going to test that. So that's our little experiment today. It might be a total failure. We're going to film this either way. It should be fun. I have some leftover tofu I need to use up from the other day, and it's perfect. So let's move to the stove and let's try this. All right? All right, I got my tofu cut up. I've pressed it, I've drained it, I dried it off, and I've cut it up into 12 equal size cubes. So according to what I've read, what we're going to do is we're going to heat up that stainless steel pan for 3 to 5 minutes. Nothing in it. No oil, for sure. No oil, no nothing. Just 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to heat that up. I'm going to set my oven burner, my stove burner, to medium high, so about a 7. Mine goes on a scale of 1 to 10 and then high. So I'm going to set it on about a 7. Wait 5 minutes. I'll set the timer. We'll do a little drop of water test and see if it dances around on the skillet like it's supposed to. That tells me it's ready. Then we'll place the no sauce, no seasoning, no nothing, just plain tofu. This is the Kirkland, the extra firm, the same one we used the other day. I'm going to set that on my bare skillet, my hot skillet, and do nothing for another 5 minutes. And apparently when it's ready to release, it will release, the tofu will. And we'll try moving it around with either my tongs or some chopsticks. I'm only going to do 6 of these. We'll see if it works. All right, that's the plan. So here we go. Okay, this makes me nervous. If this does not work, I got some scrubbing to do. I'm kind of nervous about that. But we'll set our stove to 7. And I've got a timer right here on my oven set for 5 minutes. I'm not going to do anything but turn the burner on and wait. After 5 minutes, I'll put down my tofu. We'll try the water dancing trick first, and then I'll put down the tofu. So here's my little container of water. The idea is you just flick a drop or 2 in a skillet. If it's hot enough, the water should beat up and dance around a little bit. Okay guys, my timer is going off. Let's do the little water trick. So the idea is you just dip your finger into your little water here, and it dances around. It evaporates pretty quick. That tells me it might be a little bit too hot. I'm going to turn this down to a 6. Here goes nothing. All right, we'll see what happens in 5 minutes. Almost there. Last 20 seconds. I have not touched these tofu cubes. So first we'll try to move them around with my chopstick. Then I'll try to pick one up with my tongs. There we go. It's been 5 minutes. And it's stuck. I knew it would stick. I knew it. Yep, it's down there. Let me try to lift one off. Oh no. That's like glued to the bottom of my pan. It ain't moving. Let's see if I can scrape it off with a spatula. Actually, you know, that's not too bad right there. It did come off, but I had to work at it. But see, you can see it is sticking a little bit. Would this be my preferred method of cooking? Yeah, see that? No. No, this would not be my preferred way. So let's flip them just to see what they look like on the bottom. Okay. And it stuck automatically as soon as I flipped it. It is browning nicely. I'm going to set this for 5 more minutes. Alright, 5 minutes is almost up for this side. Thankfully, I know this pan does clean up really well. I've done it before. So all that stuff stuck on the bottom, just with water and a wash rag, maybe a little bit of Bon Ami or Bartender's Friend, they'll come right off. I want to try one more experiment. Actually, 2 more. Let's get these off first. The timer is going to come off. Alright. And that came right off. And so did that one. They browned up nicely. So this is not a total fail. Look at that, guys. I'm actually surprised. That one kind of stuck. Yeah, they don't want to come off with the tongs, but they will come off with the spatula pretty easily. All right. Yeah. Nicely brown. But here's my thought. These are just plain tofu cubes. No seasoning, no salt, no nothing. What happens? We don't eat this way, all right? Our tofu is usually marinated or something. So I have one more tofu cube here that I've marinated in some soy sauce because that's how we normally eat, right? Our tofu is marinated. And I'm going to see if this sticks. So 5 more minutes. But yeah, overall, these are actually quite surprising. They didn't stick as bad as I thought they would. Okay, we're doing that marinated tofu cube to see if it's going to stick any worse. Because like I said, we don't cook just plain tofu. We have ours marinated, it's got seasoning on it, it's been in a sauce. Sometimes I add my sauce directly to the pan. So let's see how this does. Here's our 5 minutes. Oh, it burned a lot more. You can see that. Yeah, look at that. So if you add a sauce, that changes things. Alright, I want to do one more experiment. So we know what happens with a stainless steel pan. Let's try cast iron. I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes to heat this guy up. And let this guy cool down. And we'll come back and we'll try it one more time. This cast iron skillet has been seasoned, so there is some oil. I'm going to turn on the vent. It'll probably be noisy, sorry. I want to see if the tofu does any better in the cast iron now than it did the stainless steel. Okay, my cast iron skillet has been sitting here heating up, same exact temperature, a 6, for the last 5 minutes. Because there's oil, I season my pans with oil, and I always wipe them down with oil when I get through so they don't rust. It is smoking, so I got the vent on. Let's try this in a cast iron and see what happens. Raw tofu. I have a feeling this is going to stick worse. And I have one more. This one has been sitting in a little dish of tamari. Set the timer, 5 minutes, and we'll see what happens. Timer's almost going off. You guys have any predictions? I think these are going to really be stuck. And I think this is going to be a lot harder pan to clean than that one. We're about to find out. There we go. actually proved me wrong. It is too hot though. Yeah, these are looking a little burnt. But they're not sticking. I'm surprised. I'm going to turn my burner down to a 5. Surprise, surprise. Actually, I think we're done. I'll just turn this off. I can eat tofu just like that. Not a problem. I love tofu. Well, there concludes my little experiment, and I can honestly say I'm surprised. These tofu cubes did not stick in either the stainless steel or the cast iron. I think the whole trouble I had before was 2 things. One, not getting the pan hot enough first. So I don't know if 5 minutes is too long. I don't know if the 7 I had on my burner was too high. I think it was. If you want to try this yourself, you might try like a setting of 6 or 5, a medium heat instead of a medium high heat. And then let it heat up for 3 to 5 minutes. But the other point was, once you put your tofu down on the skillet, don't touch them. Again, wait for 3 to 5 minutes until they come free by themselves. They have that little crust on them. And that's what really surprised me. And I know a 7 is definitely too hot for cast iron, because these, again, they're not sticking. I'm really shocked by that. But they're burnt. And I do know that cast iron absorbs heat and distributes heat a lot better than a stainless steel. So either way, we successfully cooked tofu in 2 kinds of skillets, cast iron and stainless steel, with no oil, without it sticking. I'm shocked. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any ideas for other little experiments I can do like this, let me know. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Again, if you have any suggestions like this, let me know. I'm shocked. It worked.